Welcome to Cornell Learner and Cornell Studies channel. Today my session is on chemistry mock bits. So we'll start the session. Stoichiometry. First question. The law of multiple proportions is illustrated by. First option HBr, HI. Second H2O, D2O, CO, CO2, CaO, MgO. Answer CO and CO2. Second question. A balanced chemical equation obeys law of multiple proportions, law of definite proportions, law of reciprocal proportion, law of conservation of mass. Answer. What is the answer? Law of definite proportion. Next, law of multiple proportion is given by the pair SO2 and SO3, H2O and D2O, NaCl and NaBr, MgO and MgCl2. What is the answer? SO2 and SO3. Next question. In SO2 and SO3, the ratio of weights of oxygen that combines with the fixed weight of sulfur is 2. And this illustrates the law of 2:3. This illustrates the law of constant proportions, conservation of mass, multiple proportions, reciprocal proportions. Answer. Multiple proportions. Next one. Which of the following data illustrates the law of conservation of mass? 12 grams of C is heated in a vacuum and on cooling there is no change in mass. Second one. 56 grams of CO reacts with 32 grams of oxygen to form 44 grams of CO2. Next, 1.70 grams of AgNO3 react with 100 ml 0.1 m Sc to produce 1.43 grams of AgC and AgCl and 0.63 of HNO3. Option 4, none. What is the answer? 1.70 gram of AgNO3. Next question. The percentage of hydrogen in water and hydrogen peroxide are respectively 11.2% and 5.94%. This illustrates the law of conservation of mass, multiple proportions, constant composition, reciprocal proportions. Answer is multiple proportions. Next, law of reciprocal proportions can be used to determine atomic weight of a gas, equivalent heights, molecular weight of gases, none of these. Equivalent heights. Next question, 8th one. In which of the following numbers all zeros are significant? 0.00004, 0.0060, 20.000, 0.800. Answer 20.000. Next question. Which one illustrates the law of reciprocal proportions? Answer. See the options. CS2, CO2, SO2, PH3, P2O3, P2O5, N2O3, N2O4, N2O5, NaCl, NaBr, NaL. So what is the answer? First one. Next question. Last question in stoichiometry. Nitrogen forms N2O, NO, N2O3, NO2 and N2O5 with oxygen. It illustrates the what? Law of definite proportions, law of multiple proportions, law of reciprocal proportions, law of conservation of mass. Answer. Law of multiple proportions. So these are on stoichiometry. Next, our next chapter is stoichiometric calculation. So see the questions here. The weight of a calcium carbonate required to produce carbon dioxide that is sufficient for conversion of 0.1 mole sodium carbonate to sodium bicarbonate is. Answer. 10 grams. See, I given the solutions here. If you want, you can take screenshot from here. Okay, I given the detailed explanation of that solutions. Next question. The percent weight loss suffered by sodium bicarbonate on strong heat is. What is the answer? 36.9%. Next question. 200 ml of pure and dry oxygen is subjected to silent electrical discharge. The volume of ozonized oxygen obtained in 190 ml. What is the percent conversion of oxygen to ozone? Answer. 10%. 10%. Next question. The volume of oxygen required for the complete combustion of 10 liters of methane under the some condition is? Answer 10 liters. See the solution here. First one, 4.4 grams of carbon dioxide, 4.4 into 100 by 44, that is 10 grams. Second one, 2 moles of NaCO3, this one, 100 into 62 by 2 into 84, 36.9% weight loss. Okay, third one and fourth one. Our next chapter is atomic and molecular weights, mole. Okay, see the question. Molecular mass of silver Z is equal to 47 is, answer 108 AMU. Next one, the number of nitrogen molecules present in 1 cc of gas at NTP is 2.67 into 10 to the power of 19. Which of the following contains the maximum number of atoms? See the options. 10 grams of CaCO3, 4 grams of hydrogen, 9 grams of NH4NO3, 1.8 gram of C6H12O6. What is the answer? 4 grams of hydrogen. Next question. 1 gram molecule. 1 gram molecule of oxygen is equal to what? 16 gram of oxygen, 32 gram of oxygen, 8 grams of oxygen and 1 gram of oxygen. What is our answer? 32 gram of oxygen. Next question, Avogadro number means. Avogadro number means what? Avogadro. The number of atoms in 1 gram atomic weight, the number of molecules in 1 gram molecular weight, the number of atoms in 0.012 kg of C12 and all of this. What is the answer? All of these. See here, options given 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. Next one, the molar mass of hydrogen is 1.008 grams, 2.016 grams, 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 grams and 2.016 AMU. Answer 2.016 grams. Next question, the charge present on 1 mole electron is, see the options, 96,500 coulombs, 1 coulomb, 1.60 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb, 0.1 Faraday. What is our answer? 96,500 coulombs. And eighth question is, the volume of 2 moles of SO3 and STP is 44.8 liters. Next question, elements are always combined in the ratio of their atomic weights, molecular weights, equivalent weights and mass numbers. Equivalent weights. Last question, basicity of the sulfuric acid is 2. So students, these are the questions from stoichiometry and stoichiometric calculations and atomic and molecular weight. So we covered 24 questions in chemistry. You take the screenshot also. Just for 8 minutes video, watch to get the good rank. Thank you. All the best. Jai Hind.